Welcome back to Learn Arabic with Manar. Last time we saw how to form Idafa, definite and indefinite. But when and how to use Idafa. So today we will see all the different situations when and how to use Idafa, and we will see them in so many different examples. Yalla, let's start. So after going over all the rules when and how to use Idafa, first we use it when something is part of something else. Like for example, the window of the room. شباك الغرفة. شباك الغرفة. Or the door of the car. باب السيارة. باب السيارة. Or the bucket of my jacket. جابت جاكيتي. جابت جاكيتي. So whenever we have something and something else is part of it, we use إضافة. So for example, the button of the camera. So زر الكاميرا. زر الكاميرا. And so on. Second, we use it when something belongs to something or someone. For example, مكتب جون. John's office. So we use it when we are using the apostrophe S in English. John's office. مكتب John. But here in Arabic we will put the office first and after we will put John. مكتب John. Or for example, the company's building. مبنى الشركة. مبنى الشركة. First the building and after the company. مبنى الشركة. Or the house of my sister or my sister's house. بيت اختي. بيت اختي. Third, we use it to specify things, and in this category we could use all the examples that we used before in indefinite إضافة, like for example, a cup of coffee, فنجان قهوة, by just adding il to the second noun, and it will be فنجان القهوة, the cup of coffee, فنجان القهوة. A sleeping room, غرفة نوم. غرفة نوم, the sleeping room, غرفة النوم. Another example, a museum of art, متحف فنون. If we want to make it definite, we will add il to فنون, متحف الفنون, the museum of art, متحف الفنون. So what about multiple إضافة? Let's do something really complicated. If I want to say the window of my sister's kids' room. In Arabic it would be شباك غرفة ولاد اختي. So in Arabic the definite noun has to come at the end. The definite noun in my sentence here, my sister, اختي. We leave it to the end. We start with the thing that we are referring to. شباك. شباك, where is this شباك? This window, it is in the room. شباك غرفة. شباك غرفة. And غرفة, it is feminine. It has تاء مربوطة. I will pronounce it تا. شباك غرفة. And this room belongs to the kids. شباك غرفة أولاد. شباك غرفة أولاد. At the end, my sister اختي. شباك غرفة أولاد اختي. So here, each word belongs to the word that it is after it. And all of them, they belong to my sister. But I have the definite sign only on my sister. شباك, it doesn't have il, it's not a name, it doesn't have suffix pronouns. غرفة is the same and أولاد is the same. شباك غرفة ولاد اختي. Let's have another example for multiple إضافة. Let's say the driver of John's company's car. In Arabic it will be شوفير سيارة شركة جون. So, how I will form all these crazy things all together? Where is my definite noun? It is John. So I will take John and I will leave it to the end. What I'm referring to? I'm referring to the driver, chauffeur. So this will come at the beginning. And this driver, it's the driver of the car, سيارة. So سيارة will come next. Chauffeur, سيارة. And because سيارة feminine and has تاء مربوطة, I will pronounce it تا. شوفير سيارة. شركة, company. شركة, and it is also feminine. The تا مربوطة will be تا. شركة. So شوفير سيارة شركة, and John will come at the end. شوفير سيارة شركة John. Let's have some examples between definite and indefinite إضافة to see the difference between two of them. If I want to say I have movie tickets, in Arabic it will be معي تذاكر سينما. معي I have. تذاكر it is tickets. Cinema is a movie theater. معي تذاكر سينما. But if I want to say I bought the movie tickets, here I would say اشتريت تذاكر السينما. اشتريت I bought. تذاكر it is tickets. السينما the movie theater. اشتريت تذاكر السينما. Let's have an example using the word toothbrush. فرشاية أسنان. فرشاية أسنان. In English it's not possessive, but in Arabic it is إضافة. فرشاية أسنان. If I want to say I bought a toothbrush. اشتريت فرشاية أسنان. اشتريت I bought فرشاية أسنان a toothbrush. So here we have general إضافة or indefinite إضافة. If I want to say I lost my toothbrush, here I will say ضوعت فرشاية أسناني. ضوعت I lost. فرشاية أسناني my toothbrush. اشتريت فرشاية أسنان I bought a toothbrush. ضوعت فرشاية أسناني I lost my toothbrush. Like this, we covered everything about إضافة. I hope these two lessons helped you to understand how to form and how to use إضافة. Use what you learned in examples and leave me a comment. I will correct them for you. Now let's go over our words for today. The window of the room شباك الغرفة. The door of the car باب السيارة. The pocket of my jacket جيبة جاكيتي. The button of my camera زر الكاميرا. John's office مكتب جون. The building of the company مبنى الشركة. My sister's house بيت أختي. A cup of coffee فنجان قهوة. The cup of coffee فنجان القهوة. A bedroom غرفة نوم. The bedroom غرفة النوم. A museum of art متحف فنون. The museum of art متحف الفنون. The window of the room of my sister's kids شباك غرفة ولاد أختي. The driver of the car of John's company شوفير سيارة شركة جون. I have cinema tickets معي تذاكر سينما. I bought the cinema's tickets. اشتريت تذاكر السينما. A toothbrush فرشاية أسنان. I bought a toothbrush. اشتريت فرشاية أسنان. I lost my toothbrush. ضوعت فرشاية أسناني. Thank you for joining me today. If you like today's video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more Levantine Arabic lessons, you could check them here or there. See you there. Yalla bye.